f of x is x raised to 7. So f of x plus h will be what?
X plus h raised to 7. 7.
Plus h raised to 7. What we are asked to calculate? Limit h tending to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. So it became limit h tending to 0, x plus h raised to 7 minus x raised to 7 upon h. Then what did I do after that? Put this as a single letter.
Yes, sir. Put T.
As t. And what will happen to this? When h becomes 0, the new variable will become x. So this becomes limit t tending to x, t raised to 7, x raised to 7 upon t minus x. Now this is a direct formula, 7x raised to 6.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, what was the next problem?
Sir,
Bolo.
sir, I have done plus x minus x.
Chalega, no problem.
Okay.
Added x plus x and minus x.
Sir, 8 sir.
Because I was preferring that method, but then some students had a problem, so I thought I'll do by this one. Whichever method you feel convenient, you can use that. Hardik.
Okay, sir.
Hardik तक
Yes, sir.
इसमें क्या डाउट है आपको?
नो सर, ये किया था मैंने.
हाँ, ये किया है बराबर. नेक्स्ट वाला का कौन सा क्वेश्चन था? 1 by x raised to 5. That means x raised to minus 5 हो गया. बराबर है? तो क्या चेंज होगा? a minus 5 होगा. a भी minus 5 होगा. a भी minus 5 होगा. बराबर है?
Yes, sir.
और a भी minus 5 होगा. और आपका आंसर क्या होगा?
minus 5x raised to minus 6.
तो minus 5 divided by x raised to 6. ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, चलेगा. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Zaid,
Yes, sir.
Zaid.
Yes, sir.
इसमें क्या तकलीफ है? आपको x के जगह पे रिप्लेसमेंट है ना? x के जगह पे क्या आना चाहिए? x plus h. तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर आ जाएगा x plus h.
Okay, sir.
Now next one, you are going to tell me, yeah? Your mobile is the thing on. X plus f of x is x plus 3 raised to 5. Zadik, what? Zad.
Yes, sir.
What will be f of x plus h?
Sir,
कहाँ पे x है? इधर है x.
x plus h plus 3 raised to 5.
Very good. Very good. Now then we are asked to calculate this. अभी substitution करना है. So ये हो गया x plus h plus 3 raised to 5 minus x plus 3 raised to 5 divided by h. चलेगा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अभी आपका सब्स्टिट्यूशन
Yes,
मेथड
sir.
उसको t डालेगा, ये पूरा को t डालेगा. So x plus h plus 3 is t. तो h के जगह पे क्या लिखेंगे? t minus of x plus 3.
Yes, sir.
As h becomes 0, t will tend to x plus 3. ये क्या हो जाएगा फिर? Limit t tending to x plus 3. t raised to 5. x plus 3 raised to 5. इसको चेंज करने का जरूरत नहीं है. और h के जगह पे डाल क्या लिखेंगे? t into x plus 3. आपका आंसर आएगा 5 into x plus 3 raised to 4.
So I changed the numerator to t plus h raised to 5 minus t raised to 5. That's why I got the answer wrong.
What is a variable here? You wanted to make it. See, you could have done very simple method also. Just add x plus 3 and subtract x plus 3. Add an x plus 3 subtract an x plus 3. So directly you can then write the answer.
Yes, sir.
Directly, yes. You don't have to do all this. But that is up to you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I'll show you next one. Next one, this till here everybody got almost everybody got correct answer other than few students.
Yes, sir.
This didn't have a problem. But next one, most of you have done wrong. I purposely gave that question to check whether how accurate you can be. Tell me what will be f of x plus h in this case. 2, if you have written
X
this way,
plus-
you will go wrong. Can you tell me what is the mistake here? I have to replace x by what?
X plus h.
X
So
plus
in
H.
bracket hona chahiye.
For X is small.
That is a place you people made a mistake. So limit h tending to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x upon h is limit h tending to 0, 2x plus 2h plus 5. Please copy down if you are not knowing, because today again I'm going to give you this assignment, this question, this type of question. Is it okay? Now those are doing direct method. We need a 2 here, then 2x plus 3 should be added and 2x plus 5 should be added and subtracted because you need a 2h. Those are doing by substitution method. What will be h from here? H will be t minus 2x plus 5 divided by 2. So when you substitute here, this became t raised to 3. This became t cube, 2x plus 5 the whole cube, और h के जगह पे क्या आएगा? t minus 2x plus 5 divided by 2 आएगा. ये 2 बाहर आ जाएगा. Who is that? T cube into 2x plus 5 the whole cube upon t minus 2x plus 5. This 2 times, अभी इसका limit 3 times 2x plus 5 the whole square. Now tell me how many of you have not understood. So your final answer is 6 into 2x plus 5 the whole square. Tell me the steps which you have not followed. Tell me the steps where you made a mistake.
So the second last step where you shifted the 2 to left hand side, to limit side.
This 2 will came to the numerator. 5 upon 3 by 2. 5 divided by 3 by 2 is how much? 5 into 2 by 3. So
by
this
3.
2 will go to the numerator. That is why I wrote it over here. Or you write it anywhere. Here you write anywhere.
Sir,
Yeah, bolo.
sir, can you do it in the direct method, sir, one time? I want to see
Direct
how.
method. Yes,
Yes.
direct method. Dekho. Limit h tending to 0. 2x plus 2h plus 5. The whole cube. Minus 2x plus 5. Divided by h thana.
Yes, sir.
Now what I first need is a 2. Because it is 2h. So divide and multiply with the 2. Chalega?
Yes, sir.
अभी ऐड करो. अभी क्या ऐड करना चाहिए?
X plus 5.
2x plus 5. Subtract 2x plus 5. बराबर है कि नहीं? Correct? First you divided and multiplied with the 2, then added 2x plus 5 and subtracted 2x plus 5. Now apply the formula. 3 into 2x plus
Square.
5 whole square into this 2.
2. Yes, sir.
6 into 2x plus 5 whole square. Understood the method?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yeah. Those who are doing by substitution method, that 2 will come automatically down. Anybody else having doubt in this? I'm going to give you this problem again today.
So 1 minute, can you show the direct method?
Which one? First one?
Direct one, yeah. Yeah, this one.
First you multiply, do it in 2 steps. Otherwise you won't understand. 2 steps you do it. First you divide and multiply with 2. Next step you add and subtract. Add 2x plus 3.
2x.
Add 2x plus 2h. Now directly you can apply the formula. So 3 into 2x plus 5 the whole square.
So into 2.
Into 3 solve for it. Any doubt here?
Sir, sir,
Can
sir,
we say yeah?
sir, so for direct method, in the denominator, whatever is not there, that we need to add and subtract.
First you have to divide and multiply by 2, then add and subtract.
Okay, sir.
First you divide and multiply, then add and
So
subtract.
but that divide and multiply by 2 is not required in all cases, except that we had
Because-
2 with h now. That's why we did that step.
Yeah, if this 2 is present, then you need.
Okay,
What
sir.
you need in the denominator other than the power, everything. So if you remove the power, what is there? That should be there in the denominator. So that much you have to bring it. If you have x raised to n minus a raised to n, you need x minus a in the denominator.
Yes.
So whatever is not there, you have to divide and multiply and get it. Or
Okay.
add and subtract. Okay? Followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to give you this again today. This assignment. Okay. Now remaining, I don't think there was much problem. Now tell me, anybody had any problem? Whichever questions you had a problem, tell me.
Sir, 8th one.
So question number 6, I got the answer as 2, but the answer was written as 3. I don't know why.
See, this became what? X square x minus 4, no?
Which one? 1 second, sir. I'll check my.
That became a cube minus b cube.
Yes, sir.
Sec x minus 2, sec square x, 2 sec
Plus
x,
2 sec x plus 4.
upon sec x minus 2 into sec x plus 2.
Yes, sir.
Cancelled. This became 4 plus 4 plus 4 divided by 4. So how much it became? 3. Okay. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me next one. This in 7th, everybody got?
Yes, sir.
You wanted to see?
Can you show the 10th one?
Yeah.
Sir, 9th one, sir.
Okay, 9th. 9th rationalize, same as previous one. When you rationalize, what will become? 1 minus cos x minus 2. बराबर है ना?
Yes, sir.
और नीचे क्या हो जाएगा?
1 minus cos
Square
square.
x into root 1 minus cos x plus root 2. Now numerator became minus of 1 plus cos x. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Sin square x became 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x. And this root term, they both got cancelled. Then this became minus 1. 1 plus 1 हो जाएगा. A root 2 plus root 2 हो जाएगा. So minus 1 upon 2 into 2 root 2. So minus 1 upon 4 root 2.
Yes.
Arunati,
Yes, sir.
you got the answer?
This one, 9th one, yes, I got it.
Okay. Fine with everybody?
Yes, sir.
So I have a
Yes,
doubt
sir.
in 10th one. I didn't get that.
I'll do 10th. 10th is a little difficult one. 10th is a duplicate of one last problem which I did in the class.
So there I got the answer as -2, but it is written as 2. I don't know how.
Mhm.
Okay, let's see. Limit x tending to pi by 4. Cot x minus 1 divided by root 2 sin x minus 1. That's how I give it. Root 2 cos x here. Cos or sin?
Cos, sir.
So
Cos.
root 2 cos x.
So first step is to change into sin and cos.
Yes,
Hmm.
sir. Will become cos
Cos
sin.
x minus 1.
What is cos x upon sin x? No?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Root 2 cos x minus 1 into root 2 cos x plus 1.
Hmm.
Root 2 cos x plus 1.
That became limit x tending to pi by 4. Cos x minus sin x into root 2 cos x plus 1 divided by a sin x नीचे आएगा.
Hmm.
A 2 cos square x minus 1 हो जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
Now this is cos square x minus sin square x.
Hmm.
A sin x हो गया. A 2 cos square x minus 1 को क्या लिखेंगे? Cos square x minus 1 minus cos square x. So it became cos square x minus sin square x.
Hmm.
So I got confused with this part, whether 2 cos square x minus 1 is to be converted into cos and sin.
A very simple method. Cos 2 cos square x minus 1 is the formula for cos 2x. And
Hmm.
cos 2x first formula is cos square x minus sin square x.
Hmm.
This is the formula for cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta's another formula is cos square x minus sin. ऐसा भी सोच सकते हैं.
Let's get it done.
Now what happens? Limit x tending to pi by 4. Root 2 cos x plus 1 will be numerator. Denominator will be sin x into, cancel the common factor, cos x plus sin x. Understood that?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Okay, cos x minus sin x होगा here. और ये cos x minus sin x numerator में है. ये दोनों कैंसिल हो गया.
Yes.
Now put everywhere excess pi by 4 क्या हो जाएगा? Root 2 into cos 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 45 is also 1 by root 2. सब 1 by root 2 हो जाएगा. ये दोनों कैंसिल होके न्यूमरेटर 2 हो गया.
2.
Denominator 1 by root 2 into 2 by root 2.
Yes.
Root 2 into root 2 is 2. ये दोनों cancel. So 2 is the answer.
2 is the answer.
Same question as the previous. What is the difference in that two question? I always give you a duplicate question so that you can look at the previous and then do the problem. That also some of you are unable to do. Always refer the classwork before you do the problem.
Hmm.
And students, many of your accuracy is very poor. Many of you are not getting the correct answer. I don't know why some of you get 0. That is very wondering. Why do you get 0? So you don't want it. You don't want to do it only, I think. Anyway, it is your choice, not mine. If you are sincere student, anything you will learn. 10 बार पूछ के learn करेगा. If you are not sincere, चुपचाप रहेगा, wrong answer देगा, happy होगा. So sincerity makes you everything in your life. If you are sincere, anywhere you go, you'll be successful. If you're not sincere, anywhere you go, you won't be successful. Whatever you do, you won't be successful. What do you mean by sincere? Wherever you have difficulty, you keep on talking to the teacher and get your doubts done. Now you did, at present I solved the doubts. Note the doubts, note what mistake you are doing. All that can correct you better. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
can we start with today's class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Yeah. In my building, construction is going on and I cannot sit in the room. Somebody is furnishing his house. Okay.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Now I'm going to teach you something new. Please concentrate. नहीं तो ये bouncer जाएगा. You know what is bouncer, no?
Very well, sir.
Very well. बहुत बार होता है ना? Okay. Listen to me. My statement is like this. When the angle theta is very small, sin theta's value and theta's value will be almost equal. Almost equal, not exactly equal. Which means if I write sine of 0.012 radian, it will be almost 0.012. But it's not true for all values. Only when theta is very small.
Very small.
Yeah. If it is sine of, and it should be in radian, not in degree, 0.00005 will be almost equal to 0.00005. You understood? So what I can say, when theta is very small, sin theta's value and theta's value are almost equal. When theta is very small, sin's value, sin theta and theta are almost equal. So this I'm going to write it another way. Look at this. When theta is very small, sin theta upon theta is 1. Is it okay? Yes or no? Speak out.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So theta
Yes, sir.
is very small. I'm going to write it this way. Limit theta tending to 0. Sin theta upon theta is 1. Provided theta is in radian measure. If it is in degree, it is not correct. All of you followed this, what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to learn how to use this formula. So what are the conditions for formula? Theta should be in radian.
Theta should be very small.
Yeah, and theta should be small. So limit theta tending to 0. So what can you say about this? Limit x tending to 0, sin x upon x will be how much?
1.
Will be 1. Limit x tending to 0. What will be sin 4x upon x? Will it be 1? Is this correct? Is this be correct?
No.
No, because
No, it should be 4.
yeah, 4 is correct. Because if you have 4x here, you should have 4 here. So this is not correct. So you should have limit x tending to 0, sin 4x, and we should have 4x here and multiply with 4. Now this can be put as 1. Because theta means angle. Both of them should be same. And angle should tend to 0. Then only it can be replaced by 1. What all things I told you? First thing, the angle should tend to 0. Second thing, angle should be equal to denominator. Then these two conditions are satisfied, then only answer can be 1.
1.
Did you follow that? Here, angle is angle tending to 0? Yes, because x is
Yes.
becoming 0 means angle is tending to 0. Is the angle and denominator same? Yes. So
Yes.
answer is 1. Here, angle and denominator are not same, so answer is not 1. You can make the angle and denominator same by multiplying and dividing by 4. Then this will become 1, but this 4 will remain, and answer become 4. समझा कि नहीं समझा?
Yes, sir.
Write down. Limit of algebraic and trigonometric functions. Write the formula. Limit theta tending to 0. Sin theta upon theta is 1. Where theta is in radians. When we apply the limit, the angle part of sine should tend to 0. Second condition, the angle part should be equal to denominator. Then we can replace by 1. Then we can replace by 1. Did you understand what I wrote? The students please cooperate with me. Without that, this topic will not be able to be taught to you.
Sir,
So समझ में नहीं आया तो बताना. Yeah, tell me.
sir, that when we apply the limit angle, after that what is
Yeah. Okay. Sine, S-I-N-E.
it? Part is
When we
written.
apply the
Not
limit, angle part of sine.
part, okay.
P-A-R-T, part. Angle part. Then angle part should be equal to denominator. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now example.
Yes, sir.
Limit x tending to 2 sine of x minus 2 upon x minus 2. Check whether all conditions are applicable. Condition 1, is it applicable?
No, limit of
No,
angle should
sir.
be 0, na, sir.
It should be 0.
What did I say? When you apply the limit, the angle part should tend to 0. What is the angle part here?
Plus 2.
Is x minus 2. When you put, when x tends to 2,
So x 2
then what happens to angle part?
2 minus 2 is 0. Okay.
Is it tending to 0?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So first condition satisfied. Okay.
Hmm.
Now condition 2.
Yes, sir.
Condition 2, tell me.
Angle part should be equal to denominator.
What is the angle part?
X minus
Minus 2.
X minus 2. What is the denominator?
X minus 2.
Is x minus 2. Are they
X
equal?
minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore,
Yes.
the answer is 1.
Yes.
This much you have to do mentally. You will not write all this. This is only for you at present to understand. If these two conditions are satisfied, therefore answer is 1. You write down at present, but in the exam hall, don't write all this.
Sir, can you show me previous page once? Just little I had to go.
Previous page, what happened? When we apply the limit, angle parts of sine should tend to 0. Angle part and denominator should be equal. Then we can replace it by 1. These are the conditions to apply the formula. Is
Yes,
it
sir.
okay?
Last line was remaining.
Yeah. Now here, I'm checking the condition. What is the angle part? X minus 2. What is the limit? X is tending to 2.
It's tending to
अगर
2.
x का वैल्यू 2 होगा तो ये ब्रैकेट 0 बन जाएगा ना,
Yes, sir.
तो एंगल पार्ट इज टेंडिंग टू 0.
Yes, sir.
Second, angle part and the denominator are same. Therefore, the answer became 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Tell me,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Akshat. Akshat,
Yes, sir.
tell me whether this is correct.
हाँ sir.
Is answer 1. Is this correct or wrong? True or false?
Sine of
False.
false.
First, you have
This
to
is
check.
false.
What's the first thing to check? Condition 1, is it satisfied?
Hmm.
When x value 1 के आसपास होगा, तो x square minus 1 का value कितना होगा?
0.
0. तो angle part 0 बन रहे.
हाँ जी.
First condition satisfied.
हम्म.
Second condition, angle part और denominator एक है कि अलग है?
एक ही है.
Angle part कितना है?
x square minus 1 और नीचे x
Denominator
minus
क्या है?
1. I mean, okay, चलो
Denominator
अलग
क्या
है,
है?
अलग है.
एक अलग है. तो आंसर 1 होगा?
हाँ.
नहीं. ये दोनों सेम नहीं है ना?
नहीं है.
So angle part is
Not satisfied.
x square minus 1. और denominator
X minus 1.
x minus 1. Are they equal?
No.
Not equal.
False.
Answer will not be 1. समझा कि नहीं?
हाँ जी.
हाँ. अभी मेरा क्वेश्चन क्या पूछने का है, इसको 1 करा सकते हैं कि नहीं?
1 करा सकते हैं कि नहीं?
मतलब ये फॉर्मूला बना सकते हैं कि नहीं? अगर फॉर्मूला बनाना है तो मैं क्या करना चाहिए? एंगल पार्ट और डिनोमिनेटर को इक्वल करना पड़ेगा.
Yes, we have to equalize.
So,
Conjugate.
denominator can be written as x square minus 1.
डिनोमिनेटर शुड बी मेड एज x square minus 1. तो मेरे पास सिर्फ x minus 1 है. ऊपर नीचे में x plus 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेगा.
Yes, वही बोला ना मैंने, conjugate. हाँ.
ये समझ में आया कि नहीं?
हाँ.
अभी डिनोमिनेटर एक ही हो गया, लेकिन मेरे पास और एक्स्ट्रा टर्म आ गया. अभी a 1 हो जाएगा, a 1 हो जाएगा और a x plus 1 हो जाएगा. ये x के जगह पे 1 डाल सकते हैं क्योंकि लिमिट x is tending to which number?
1.
So आपका
1.
आंसर हो गया 1
2.
plus 1 हो जाएगा और आंसर 2.
Yes, 2.
Yes.
अगर
Yes,
डिनोमिनेटर एंगल पार्ट 0 बन रहे तो डिनोमिनेटर को एडजस्ट करके एंगल पार्ट बना सकते हैं. अंडरस्टूड द आइडिया?
Yes, sir.
So this one's answer is not 1, its answer is 2. All of you are hearing me properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Glad you are speaking. Next question. Everybody written this. Example 1, example 2.
You can explain again the example 2.
Jeff, in example 2, is the answer 1?
Sir, I understood, sir. I am writing. I was saying that.
And now, who asked me just now?
Sir, me.
Okay, Atharva.
Yes.
2 conditions are required to make the answer 1. Do you agree with that?
Yes.
One condition is the angle part should tend to 0 when you apply the limit. Second part is denominator and the angle part should be same. बराबर है?
Yes.
So first you check whether angle part is becoming 0. अगर x का value 1 डालेगा तो ये bracket 0 बनेगा.
Yes, it will be 0.
Yeah, so first part is satisfied. Are they both equal? Angle
No.
part कितना है?
Yes, they are equal.
How? Angle part तो x square minus 1 है. Denominator
Sir,
is
but
only
the
x minus
value
1.
is same, no?
Value कहाँ same है? वो limit के बाद.
No, it will not be same.
It will not be same. Don't look at limit. ये दोनों
Yes.
same होना चाहिए. Exactly equal होना चाहिए.
Value is same in the first condition.
Value नहीं. Tending to 1, tending to 0. Tending है. Value नहीं है.
Sir,
0.0012 भी tending to 0 है. 0.0013 भी tending to 0 है. लेकिन ये दोनों equal नहीं है.
No, they are not equal. Sir, 0 only I was saying.
हाँ, ये 0 के आसपास है. ये भी 0 के आसपास है. लेकिन ये दोनों equal नहीं है.
Yes.
कि नहीं? Okay. So ये दोनों equal नहीं है. अगर equal बनाएगा तो we can write answer 1. समझा कि नहीं? अतरवा.
Yes, sir, I understood.
हाँ, तो now to make it equal मेरे पास क्या और चाहिए? x minus 1 को x square minus 1 करना है तो क्या करना चाहिए? x plus 1 से
One
multiply
more
करना पड़ेगा.
x plus 1.
अभी equal हो गया. अभी ये आंसर 1 हो गया.
Okay, I understood.
ये x के जगह पे 1 डाल सकते हैं क्योंकि लिमिट x is tending to 1. तो इसका लिमिट हो गया.
Okay.
Everybody.
So whatever we do in denominator, the same we have to do in numerator also.
Yeah, if you do any multiplication division दोनों सेट करना पड़ेगा. नहीं तो equal नहीं होगा ना.
Yes.
Okay, can I change the page?
No,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
let we are writing, sir.
Writing. Any student not understood, please ask.
Yes,
So
sir.
every time we have to check 2 conditions. What are the 2 conditions to check? Tell me. Those are completed writing. Speak up.
Firstly,
Angle part should be 0
Ah.
and the denominator
The angle part should be equal.
same.
If not equal, we must divide and multiply and make it equal.
Yes.
Okay. Can I move to the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Limit x tending to 0 sine 5x upon x. Second question. Limit x tending to 0 sine 4x plus sine 3x upon x. Third question. Limit x tending to 0 sine 4x into sine 3x upon x. Fifth question. Don't write, okay? Just listen. Limit x tending to 0 sine 4x into sine 3x upon x square. Okay? Who can give me the answer for this? How to do, what to do? Is the condition satisfied?
No,
X
sir.
becomes 0, does the angle become 0?
And the
The
denominator
first
will also
condition is
become 0.
satisfied, sir.
So final answer. अक्षत जरा कंप्लीट करके बताओ.
sir, here we can divide and multiply by 5.
By 5.
Yeah. अक्षत
So it will be 5.
Yes, sir.
अभी क्या होना चाहिए? एंगल 5x है तो डिनोमिनेटर क्या होना चाहिए?
5x.
तो क्या करना चाहिए? मेरे पास 5 नहीं है.
Multiply the denominator and the numerator by 5.
Yes. Now this became how much? इतना क्या हो गया? फॉर्मूला कितना है? आंसर क्या है इसका?
0.
0 नहीं 1.
हाँ.
दोनों इक्वल हो गया ना? इक्वल हो गया तो 1 हो गया ना?
सर लेकिन x अगर डाला तो 0, I mean x का वो लिमिट के लिए x 0 लिखा
लिमिट डालेगा तो 0/0 हो जाएगा. Sin 0 is 0, 0/0.
बोल रहा हूँ सर. हाँ.
इसलिए अपना फॉर्मूला है ना, when angle is very small, sin theta's value and theta's value are equal.
Okay.
थीटा 0 नहीं है, ऑलमोस्ट 0 है. अगर एंगल बहुत छोटा है, sin थीटा का वैल्यू और थीटा का एंगल सेम होगा, इसलिए मैं थीटा से डिवाइड करेगा तो दोनों का 1 हो जाएगा ना.
Okay, okay.
तो इसका मतलब क्या है? When angle is very small, sine of the angle denominator by the same angle divided by the same angle will be always 1. दोनों equal है इसलिए.
Yes, yes, yes.
Answer is 5. Everybody followed?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can anybody tell me the answer for second?
So divide and multiply by 4 plus 3.
Then we can't separate. अगर 4 plus 3 में ऐसा लिखेगा तो 7 हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
अगर 7 को मुझे
denominators.
हाँ, अगर शब्द में 7x है, देखो 7x है, तो मैं 4x plus 3x लिखेगा तो इसको सेपरेट नहीं कर सकता है. a plus b upon c plus d को ऐसा नहीं लिख सकता है. a plus b upon ऐसा नहीं लिख सकता है. This is wrong. Understood?
Yes.
So look at the method which I am using. Look at the method. मेरा डिनोमिनेटर क्या था? x था. अभी एक ही टर्म है तो सेपरेट कर सकता है. दो टर्म है तो सेपरेट नहीं कर सकता है. If any student not understood must tell me. Is this clear? 3 plus 2 upon 5 को ऐसा लिख सकते हैं ना? 3 by 5 plus 2.
3 plus 5.
लेकिन 3 plus 2 upon 5 plus 1 को ऐसा नहीं लिख सकते हैं.
हाँ.
हाँ.
Separated.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
अभी इसको क्या कर सकते हैं?
So here sin 4x in here it can multiply numerator and denominator by 4.
4 हो जाएगा. अभी नेक्स्ट को क्या करेंगे?
Multiply by
3.
मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3. लेकिन इधर भी लिमिट एक सेपरेट करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
हमेशा हर फॉर्मूला के लिए लिमिट लिखना है. Everybody agree with this? What I've done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Speaking how much?
1.
1. So 1 into 4 हो गया. A भी 1 हो गया. So answer हो गया.
7.
Did you understand? Everybody followed this?
Yes, sir.
Any student having difficulty must tell me.
Sir, you took common denominator and then divide and multiplied.
Then divide and multiply. You cannot do directly divide and multiply and then separate. Separation can be done only with one extra.
Okay, sir.
Everybody followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The students who are in the class, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Sir, can I try this sum?
Yeah, tell me.
Sin 4x upon x into sin 3x upon
Limit extending to 0. Sin 4x
4x upon x into sin 3x upon x
upon x. एक एक्स्ट्रा
Limit.
हो गया ना. एक एक्स्ट्रा हो गया.
हाँ.
फिर एक ही था.
Yes.
तो फिर ऐसा करना पड़ेगा.
Okay.
आयुष,
Yes, sir.
एक ही x है मेरे पास क्योंकि ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, एडिशन नहीं है.
Okay.
3 into 2 upon 5 is 3 by 5 into 2. ये 5 कोई एक के नीचे ही आ सकता है, नहीं तो 3 into 2 by 5 दोनों के नीचे नहीं आ सकता है.
Okay.
लेकिन एडिशन में दोनों के नीचे आ सकता है. तो इसलिए x नहीं था तो डिवाइड एंड मल्टीप्लाई बाय x चलेगा.
चलेगा sir.
अभी डिवाइड एंड मल्टीप्लाई विद 4, डिवाइड एंड मल्टीप्लाई विद 3 चलेगा.
हाँ sir.
ये कितना हो गया?
1.
1.
1 into 4.
1 into
1 into 4 and
1 into 3.
3x.
1 into
x
3.
क्या हो जाएगा?
0.
0. 0 हो जाएगा.
0 हो गया.
0. Okay.
समझा कि नहीं समझा?
Sir,
Yes,
now
sir.
that x came over there,
Repeat
sir.
it once.
What was our question? Limit extending to 0, sin 4x into sin 3x upon x. X एक ही था. So what I did, एक x को मैं sin 4x देखा तो उसके नीचे x तो होना ही चाहिए. Sin 3x के नीचे x है ही नहीं, तो ना मैंने क्या किया,
मल्टीप्लाई बाय
ऊपर नीचे x से मल्टीप्लाई किया, x तो लेके आया, फिर मैंने क्या किया, 4 लेके आना पड़ेगा, 4 इधर ले लिया,
Multiply by 4.
एक 4 इधर ले लिया,
to 4
एक 3 इधर ले लिया,
into 3x.
लिया। इसका आंसर 1, इसका आंसर 4, इसका आंसर 1,
1,
इसका आंसर
3,
3,
3,
लेकिन ये 0 हो जाएगा,
1 into
0
0.
पूरा आंसर 0 हो जाएगा।
Multiply by 0 is
But
0.
like in the earlier sum, you can't take x again. Means
First is multiplication, you cannot do. 5 into 3
okay,
upon
okay,
2.
sir. Okay.
5 by 2 into 3 by 2. देखो क्या हो गया, ये 15 by 2 है, ये 15 by 4 है, so you cannot take 2 in both the places, only one place.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Has everybody understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now try this one. Limit x tending to 0, sin 4x into sin 3x upon x square. कर सकते हैं?
हाँ.
So yeah, x is 2 times now, so both the sides we will get x.
Yes, that
So
is
yes, sir. This you can separate.
So क्या हो जाएगा ये?
This will become sin 4x upon x
Upon x.
Upon x.
Sin
into
3x.
sin 3x
Sin
upon
3x
x.
divided by x.
Sir, divide and no.
अभी नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या करेंगे?
Multiply
4x.
and divide
Yes,
by
sir.
4.
Multiply divide by 4.
4x.
Multiplied by divide by 3.
And you multiply and divide by 3.
3.
अगर लिमिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट नहीं किया तो भी चलेगा, लेकिन ये और परफेक्शन है.
Sir, answer 12.
Yes, very good. Please ask me if you are not understanding. You're adjustment. This is adjustment problem. What is your requirement? Angle and denominator should be same. So we are making the angle and denominator same everywhere.
Sir, if like this x square will come, then it is simple. Then like
Yeah, yes.
if only x comes, you have to remember and put x over there.
Yeah. Whenever see, whatever you have, you adjust. What you don't have, you divide and multiply.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah. Can I change the page?
Yes, sir.
Sir, right.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
I was actually listening. Means.
Yeah. Fine. Take your time. No problem. I like that only. In the classroom, I don't allow you to write when I'm teaching. Here, I cannot see you, so I have to just assume. Yes, done?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, that when we write limit x tending to 0, then means you have to write that is compulsory, na? Then when you substitute that time only you have to remove.
Then limit should not be there when you substitute the formula. With the limit, the answer is 1.
Okay.
Without limit, the answer is not 1. That's why you have to write the limit again and again. See, sin 90 upon 90 is not 1. All the angles are same. The angle same. This is not 1. This is 1 by 90.
Yes, sir.
Only when this angle is very, very small, that time only it is 1. That's why limit is required to write answer 1. Can we move on?
Yes.
Z, you are going to answer me this. Z, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If you answer wrong, no problem. Eh? You have to just answer me. What you understood, you must tell me. There is no other way I can come to know. If I want a proper answer other than 0, what should be the denominator? X का power कितना होना चाहिए?
X cube, sir.
X cube.
X cube.
Did you understand? Everybody understood that why x cube should be there?
Yes.
sir,
Yes, sir.
because
Three
x is
terms are there, na?
equal among all
terms
the
are
three
there.
Each
terms.
sign should have one x to get a perfect answer. नहीं तो आपका आंसर 0 बन जाएगा. Because x square, my answer would be 0. If the number of x power is not matching with the number of x sign, then the answer would end up in 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Zaid, what should I do now? First step,
So-
just क्या करना है? आपको
Sir,
पहले
divide
याद होना चाहिए sin 6x के नीचे क्या होना चाहिए मुझे 1 मिलने के लिए.
Sir, 6x.
6x होना. तो पहले क्या करेंगे? सिर्फ x
Sin
लेके आएंगे. एक x. a sin 5x के नीचे एक x.
Yes, sir.
तो sin 2x के नीचे एक x. अभी आपको मुझे आंसर बता सकते हैं कि नहीं?
Yes, sir. Sir, multiply by 6.
6.
Multiply by 5.
हाँ, तो नीचे मल्टीप्लाई करेगा तो ऊपर भी करना पड़ेगा.
Yes, sir. Multiply by 2.
अभी आपको आंसर बताओ, इसका आंसर कितना हो गया?
1.
1. 1 into 6. तब भी into है ना? Into 1 into 5.
5.
1 into
2.
तो आंसर कितना हो गया? 30 into 2, 60.
60 is answer.
Yes, sir.
Everybody followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This adjustment, what I did with the black, no, you can do it in 2 step or 1 step, but you have to understand how to write it.
Sir, actually, if we look properly now, we can write it directly also.
Yes, yes, I want you to do that. Ultimately, I want you to do that. But remember, these are basic problem. I'm training you for the basics.
Yes, sir.
Can I move on to next?
Yes, sir.
Limit x tending to 0, sin square 3x upon x square. Sin square है तो x square आएगा ना?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what you are thinking in your mind. Don't write, but thinking what you are thinking in mind.
Sir, can we remove the squares?
Remove the square means cancellation तो नहीं हो सकता है.
नहीं नहीं होगा. Yes, sir.
फिर क्या हो सकता है?
Sin √3.
नहीं, sin square x. So 1 minute. I got your point. Sin square 30 का मतलब क्या है? Sin 30 the whole square. हमेशा already whole square है वो.
Yes,
तो
sir.
sin square 3x का मतलब sin 3x का whole square है. इसका मतलब ही sin 3x का वैल्यू को स्क्वायर किया. 9x नहीं. The value sin 30 का वैल्यू 1/2 है ना? वो 1/2 वैल्यू को स्क्वायर किया. Everybody agree with this? What I've written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Which means either I can do like this. Don't write because this is not the way to write. ऐसा सोच सकते हैं आपको. ऐसा सोच सकते हैं ना?
Then the answer will be 9.
Yeah, 9.
Oh, you can
Now
split
I
it,
want you to
correct?
not to do this way. 9 is correct answer. I want you to do this way. Can you do it this way? So whenever square is there, make it whole square. Otherwise, the lengthiness of statement will become very big. So now you can write with me. If square or
Then at
cube
the
is
end, it will become 3 squared, that is 9.
exact. So first step is make it whole square. Sin 3x upon x the whole square. Remember, there is no need of writing √3 here because the meaning of sin square theta is sin theta the whole square. इसका मतलब ही whole square है. तो ये 3x को √3 करने का जरूरत नहीं है. Then make the angle same inside the bracket. Make the angle and denominator same.
Multiply divided by 3.
Inside the square के अंदर है. ये पूरा जो भी आप कर रहे हैं स्क्वायर के अंदर. अभी ये 1 हो गया, ये 3 हो गया और स्क्वायर बाहर है. Answer 9. So what are the steps? Tell me. Whole square.
Whole square.
Then adjust the angle. Adjust the angle. Then apply the formula. Apply formula मतलब put 1. These are the three steps. When square or cube or any power is there, आपको ऐसा करना पड़ेगा. Whole
Yes,
square,
sir.
adjust the angle, apply the formula.
This is nice, sir. Otherwise, mistake will become too long. No?
No, I'm going to increase the power. That's why. Limit extending to 0. Sine raised to 5 2x upon x raised to 5. करो अपने आप करो. So क्या करना चाहिए पहला step?
So the whole
Limit.
raised to 5.
Yes, sir. Whole.
Limit x to 0.
हाँ.
Sin 2x upon x.
32
X
answer.
ब्रैकेट में 5 आएगा ब्रैकेट में.
हाँ, very good, very good. A पहले whole raised to 5 लिखना है.
5 होगा. फिर वापस से लिमिट x to 0 होगा.
हाँ.
फिर sin 2x upon 2x होगा into 2 होगा.
हाँ, 2x into 2 होगा.
फिर वापस से होल 5 होगा.
So
फिर 1 into
1
2
into 2
upon
raised
5.
to 5. 32, sir.
32.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Other students, all of you in the class has understood this technique.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Johar,
Yes, sir.
Johar,
Yes, sir. समझा मैं.
समझ में आया?
So 1 minute I was writing.
Yeah, right. No, don't copy मत करो. You do this process yourself. Then only you learn. Don't look at it
Question.
and write.
So question.
Do the process yourself. Because this is adjustment. ये पूरा question ही adjustment है. You have to adjust it such a way that the angle part of sine and denominator should become same.
Done, sir.
Done?
Done.
Okay. Now I want to see who is going to answer me this. Limit extending to 0. Sine square x by 2 upon x square. Come on, do it yourself. And shout the answer. Nobody got the answer till now?
So is it 1 by 4?
Correct. Correct, Aniruddha.
Hmm.
Arunadhi will give her, no? Or Anam?
Yes, sir. Arundhati, sir.
Very good, very good.
1 by 4.
So did you make it whole square, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
X raised to 4 is right answer.
एक मिनट देखो. Sin x by 2 है ना आपका एंगल.
Yes.
नीचे x by 2 चाहिए ना.
2 है. हाँ.
और 1 by 2 आएगा इधर. इधर 2 से डिवाइड किया तो इधर नीचे 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. आ गया 1 into 1 by 2 the whole square. 1 by 4 हो
1
जाएगा.
by
Okay. X per substitute.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
एक और प्रॉब्लम करेंगे because I'm not confident. हो गया? So everybody has finished?
Yes, sir.
yes.
Okay, try this one. Limit extending to 0. Sine cube x by 3 divided by x cube. अपने आप करना है. पहला step.
Take the whole cube common for
Yes.
whole bracket.
1 by 27.
Adjust the angle.
1 by 27.
Yes.
1 by 27.
1 by 27.
So पहला step whole cube.
X upon whole cube.
दूसरा step adjust the angle.
The angle.
Sin x by 3 upon
X by 3.
Into
cube.
1 by 3.
The 1 by
Oh, sorry.
1 by 27.
1 into 1 by 3, the whole cube. 1 by 27.
27.
Nurmay, you are there in the class? Nurmay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, following now?
Yes, sir, 100%.
Okay. Now I'm going to ask you a question. You will think for some time and answer me, okay?
1 minute I'm writing.
Yeah.
Sir, can you explain me again? I'm not still so confident about this.
पावर कितना है? 3 है ना?
3, हाँ.
तो उसको क्या करना है पहले? होल क्यूब.
Whole cube.
फिर एंगल को सेम करना है ना?
Yes, sir.
तो एक 3 नीचे चाहिए. नीचे
Okay, you
चाहिए
have
तो
to
1 by 3
divide.
आएगा.
Yes, sir. Multiply by 1 by 3.
Understood?
So, अच्छा, reciprocal, okay. Means you have to divide by 3, uska multiply you did.
Yeah, because why? You don't have 3x. You have
yes,
x
sir.
by 3. तो ये
Yes,
3
sir.
कहाँ पे आएगा? इधर आएगा ना? जो compensation.
Yes, sir.
That means that is 1 by 3.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Fine, everybody followed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now my next question, just look at this. Which of the following is true? Tell me which of the following is true. Is first one is correct?
Yes, so first one is
Yes,
true.
sir.
Yes,
True.
sir.
That is my
First
formula,
one is
because
true.
that is my formula. Is second one correct? How do you
Yes,
check it?
sir.
When I substitute excess here, do I get 0 by 0?
Yes.
Sir.
9 0 by 0. Is it 0 by 0? Yes. So answer is 1. Whereas cos 0 is how much?
1 upon 0.
1 upon 0, which means
1 upon 0.
when angle is very small, cos value and x value are not equal. So false. Samjha ki nahi?
Yes, sir.
Now next one. Why is this correct? We are going to check. Everybody followed why this is wrong? Because cos 0 is 1 and x is 0. They both are not equal, so they cannot be 1. Whereas here, this is tending to 0. This is also tending to 0. Numerically, their values are almost equal. That's why answer is 1. Now, what happens to tan x? Everybody look at the board. Tan x can be written as sin x upon cos x. And this x in the denominator is over here. Chalega ki nahi?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
2 divided by 3 is 1 by 2 into 3. No denominator में आएगा. X भी denominator में आएगा, cos x भी denominator में आएगा. So this can be written as limit x tending to 0, sin x upon x into 1 upon cos x. ऐसा लिख सकता है ना?
हाँ, so can be written like this.
This became 1. इसका value 1 by cos 0 हो जाएगा. But cos 0 का value भी 1 है.
Yes, sir.
So this is true.
Okay. So this third one, can you explain it one more time?
Do you agree with tan x is sin theta upon cos theta?
Yes.
ये sin x upon x 1 हो जाएगा.
Yes.
ये 1 cos 0 का अभी लिमिट एक्सटेंडिंग टू 0 है ना, तो
हाँ.
इधर भी x का वैल्यू 0 डालेगा.
Yes.
और cos 0 का वैल्यू 1 है.
Yes.
So the whole thing became 1. So answer
Okay.
became 1. So
Okay,
this two.
sorry, separated it. Okay.
Yeah, separated it.
Even I had got confused over there, that's why.
Yeah. Now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. अभी इसका वैल्यू क्या होगा? This is
Reciprocal.
हाँ cosec x क्या लिख सकते हैं? रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा.
1 upon
Cosec is 1 upon sin x.
तो x upon sin x हो जाएगा.
Yes.
Now you tell me if sin x upon x is 1, x upon sin x क्या होगा?
1.
1. So answer is correct. True. Followed?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This one true or false? ये क्या हो जाएगा? x upon cos x होगा.
Yes, sir.
ये तो 1 नहीं है, ये तो 0 है. 0 by 1 हो जाएगा.
Yes.
That is 0. False. It is.
False. What about this one?
This will go x
Oh.
upon tan x.
X upon
Tan x. That is 1.
That is true.
x upon tan x. Because tan x upon x is 1. So x upon tan x will be 1. So true. I hope you understood.
So,
Yeah.
but if we are converting cot x like into cos x upon sin
No
x,
problem. No problem. X upon cos x upon sin x. बराबर है ना?
yes,
अभी ये दोनों के साथ में ले लो.
1.
ये 1 हो गया. और cos x का वैल्यू कितना होगा? When x is tending to 0, cos 0 हो जाएगा ना?
Yes,
Cos 0 का वैल्यू 1 है ना?
1.
So 1 into 1. So 1 हो
Okay.
जाएगा. I hope all of you understood what I explained today.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
I'll give an assignment today on this, and I'll give you one question of this question. Which one? F of x is 3x plus 5 the whole raised to 4. Find limit extending to 0. F of x plus h minus f of x upon h. Then calculate this and write. Okay, that and remaining all I'll ask you on sin theta upon theta. Please cooperate with me. You are not cooperating, that's why I'm